started.
Now start.
Okay. Wow, so good. Light, camera, action.
Hello guys, and welcome to Nathan's Rescue Department Science Simple. Simple Science. As you can see, this is science. You can see this science book. And what is in the book? Contrary to the North Pole impossible, you can use ship or train and bus to near places. In the same places only you can use train or bus. And so that we're all going to connect the places together. So you can see that the roads are all connect everywhere. If you need to go by road, it's very impossible because the roads are keep connecting, go so long. And one more thing, North America to the North Pole is very impossible. South America to North America is impossible, but Antarctica to go to North Pole and North Pole to go to Antarctica is very impossible. And what I mean to say is not impossible because it's separate. And this is a wrong opposition. There's no way you can go like that. So you can see the roads are all connected. Road is keep going to another country. One by one is keep going.
Where is India located?
India is located near China and Bangalore.
Okay. No, but Bangalore is within India. Huh?
Oh, silly me.
Okay, it's okay. It happens.
Yeah, even the weather focus guy did like that.
Okay, it's okay.
And as you can see, the roads keep connecting, and you can use